Good morning from the forge again. Well, we're almost always doing knife making projects, like I said in my last video. Today we're going to do something different. I'm going to make something that's nonetheless useful. So let's stick around and see what the hammer makes.
Alright, we're going to start off with a piece of 3/8 inch round stock. Let's get it hot. Now we're going to draw it out to a short square point. I'm hitting it one time, turning it a quarter round and hitting it again. And there's our square point. Now we're going to warm it up and isolate that squared point pretty close to the parent stock. Again, hit it, turn it a quarter turn, hit it again. And draw the taper. Now I'm drawing the taper back. I want a fairly long taper here. And we're going to make it a little longer. For this particular little project, I'm not worried about everything being square and flat and level. I kind of want things a little curvy and wonky and organic. So now I'm from square to octagonal. Now I'm knocking off the corners of the octagonal. And we'll switch to a smaller hammer and round everything up. Now if I wanted, I could really round this out and make it look like it was done in a machine. But it's not what I want. I want this organic looking. I want it a little lumpy. I want it a little textured. Well, that's pretty good. Straighten things up a little bit. Need to cut that off. It's a bit long. There we go. Let's warm it up, and we're going to draw a point on the other end. Now we're going to draw that point out and make it nice and long and tapered. Working one side and then the other. I'm not really fussing about trying to keep this perfect. Like I said, I want it to look rough and organic. Just keep drawing it out for length and putting in more taper. Not bad, not bad. Warm it up again. Now we're going to knock the corners off and go from square to octagonal. And then we'll knock the corners off the octagonal. Straighten everything back up. And with a little hammer, we'll round it out. Cooling down a little quick, so we're going to do just the tip rounded, and then we'll go back and do the rest. Not too bad. It's round enough, but not too round for today's project. Straighten everything back out. Now we're going to flatten our isolated bit that we started with. And you can see that's flattening out into a nice little leaf shape. Now I'm going to take the crossbeam hammer and I'm going to texture the edges of the leaf shape. Adds kind of a little ruffled appearance to the edges. Bring it back up. And do the other side. Yep, I believe that'll do. Now I'm going to get a block of wood, and with a small ball peen, I'm going to knock that leaf shape. I'm hammering the backside, and it'll burn its way down into that block of wood, and it'll add a little texture, a little shape, a little interest to that leaf. And sorry I got out of frame, but we're just going to use the scrolling pliers and scroll that leaf around. Now I'm knocking a flat spot. If you haven't figured it out yet, this is going to be a wall hook. So I've knocked a flat spot in it. Now I'm going to take a ball punch and make a countersink in my little flat spot. Could have got it in center. Didn't. Don't care. It's supposed to look kind of funky. See that little countersink? Gives me a place to drill a hole. Now we're going to start on the hook end and scroll it over. Want a really sort of a round scroll here. Don't want it really tight. I want it scrolled all the way around so it won't snag on a jacket or a scarf or a hat or anything that you happen to hang on it. There we go. And we'll do the rest on the horn. Now I'm quenching out the very tip so I can hit it without messing up my scroll. Things back even. And this should be our last heat. We'll scroll our hook around and flatten things back out. And we'll go brush it up.
Okay, there we go. It's all finished up, brushed. It looks rough. It looks rough, but that's okay. I could have polished it out and made it look really nice, but I wanted the organic look. And to be honest, my clientele doesn't like high polishes. I put mirror polishes on knives and they don't sell. I can make these look like they were made by a machine, and nobody wants that. People want something that looks handmade. Maybe your clientele's different. If so, God bless. But anyway, that's what we're finished up with. Be good to hang a coat on, hang a quilt on, hang anything you want to on. Stick it in the barn and hang your horse tack on it. Anyway, if you're still here, thanks very much for watching. God bless and have a great day.